Good day everyone, my name is Randy Kaang Paranas from BIT2YZP. Topic AC generator. Let's talk about AC generator. What is AC generator? Let's focus on generator. Generator means is a device that converts mechanical energy into electrical energy. Alin nga ba yung mechanical energy na part dun sa mismong generator natin? The mechanical energy na part dun is yung pag-ikot. Habang may pag-ikot na nangyari dun sa may generator natin, we can able to create an electricity. An electricity, guys, may dalawang estado lang yan. Una yung DC, direct current. Pangalawa naman is AC, alternating current. For the case of AC generator, kaya siya tinawag na AC generator, yung generator kasi na to is yung naproproduce niya na electricity is the alternating current. The question is, how an AC generator produce electrical power? Or paano nga ba nagpo-produce ang isang generator ng electrical power? The answer to this, guys, is the principle of the electromagnetic induction. Electromagnetic induction, a fundamental principle of electromagnetism discovered by Michael Faraday. When a magnetic field around a conductor changes, it induces an electromotive force, EMF, or voltage to the conductor. This phenomenon, if or electric generator where mechanical energy is used to move coil or wire within a magnetic field generating an electric current. Yan, may term lang ang babasahin dito. Electromagnetic induction refers to 1. The creation of an electromotive force, voltage, by way of moving magnetic field around an electric conductor. 2. The creation of current by moving an electric conductor through a static magnetic field. Based dito sa term na to, guys, either the coil should rotate with respect to the magnetic field or the magnetic field should rotate to the respect of the coil. Meaning to say, class, yung sinasabi dito, pwede yung conductor or yung coil natin is yung mismong umiikot habang yung magnetic field naman natin is static or hindi gumagalaw. Or the other way around, itong conductor natin is static or stable. Ito naman ang magnetic field natin is rotating. O yun yung umiikot sa paligid ng ating conductor. Yun yung dalawang phases ng electromagnetic induction.